In this video, we will talk about how to fix Microsoft Store not working Windows 10. Method 1. Check Internet, date, and time. Click on Start icon. Open Settings. Select Time and Language. Make sure the time and date are correct. If not, click on Sing Now. Then turn Set Time Automatically on. Afterwards, click on Windows icon and restart your PC. Method 2. Clear Microsoft Store cache. Right-click on Start icon. Select Run. Type WS Reset and press Enter. Wait for Microsoft Store to reopen automatically. Method 3. Repair or reset. Click on Start icon. Open Settings. Select Apps. Scroll it down, or you will find on the right, click on System Components. Now, click on Microsoft Store and select Advanced Options. Scroll down. First, click on Terminate. Then, click on Repair. If that doesn't work, select Reset, but make sure it delete store data and reset your Microsoft Store completely. So that's how you can fix Microsoft Store not working Windows 10. See you in the next video.